Okay, this video is on fixing the authentication issues with the media server or Twonky media server. On this is a IX2DL. So I click on media server. Okay, I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to give me an authentication error. Okay, now this is grayed out, so I can't do anything with it. I'm going to close it. Okay, go back into it. And these are ready to go. Now, it's missing the username out of here, but the actual username that was in here was media user. So I'm going to type that back in. And I'm just going to give it a password of test123. Okay, and it's going to give me another authentication error. There we go. I'm just going to cancel that. So now what I'm going to do is I want to SSH into the unit, but before I do that, you have to make sure that SSH is turned on. So you want to go into the diagnostics page, and so after manage you put in a / and then diagnostics.html. I already have it in here, so you can see that. Okay. I already have SSH enabled. Okay, so what you want to do, if you don't, you want to check this box. The port number is 22, and you can type whatever password you want in here, and just make sure you confirm it. Just so you're aware that when you do actually use PuTTY or terminal to SSH into the unit, the system has its own password. It's called SOHO. SOHO. So when you type in your password when you're in SSH, you'd want to type in SOHO and then your password. There's going to be no spaces involved. So I'll go ahead and get to that. Okay, and you're going to want to log in as root. At the IP address of the unit. So okay, so what we're going to want to look for, what we're going to try to find here is Twonky vision-mediaserver.ini. In order to do that, use the find command. Okay, and then Twonky Vision. And then what? Media server. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Okay. Okay, it's going to come up with, should come up with 2 results, as long as I typed in everything correctly. And I didn't. Of course not. What am I missing? Oops. Well, it is 3:39 in the morning, so sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so this is the one that we want, is the one with the MNT system you don't want this one, the one with the apps. So this is where the file's at. This is where the directory is that you want to go to. I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to copy this because I'm going to be lazy. So change the directory, cd, okay, and I'm going to do a directory listing. Okay, and so here's the file. Okay, now before you make any changes to this whatsoever, let's go ahead and back it up. So we're just going to make a copy of it. Okay, so CP for copy, and then like that. Okay. Okay, now put a dot and then BAK for back. Okay. Okay, so now there's two of them. So what we're going to do is go into this one. Okay, and you can use whatever text editor you really want to. You can use Nano or VI or Vim. I'm going to use Vim. Okay, now this is a bit of a large file here, so instead of searching through the entire thing, I'm just going to search for it. And in order to find anything in this file, you hit the /. Okay, so it puts a / at the bottom there, and what I'm going to be looking for is access. Okay, and right here you can see access user equals media user, and then the other one that we're looking for is access password, and that equals, you know, a hash password. So we want to actually get rid of that media user and the password. We just want those blank. Okay, so just move over to it. And then what you want to do to delete this is hit escape, Control X, and then X. Okay. Same thing for this. Okay. And in order to save this, you would just hit escape, Control, WQ, bang. Okay, so now it's saved. Alright, so that's supposed to work, so let's go ahead and go back in here. Media server. Okay, let's set the credentials. And I'll make a password of test123. Oh, you know what? I should probably do this first. Let's close out of this because I had it open. Okay, so that works. So now, what I want to do is just, I'll just open up another tab. And let's just see if this works. And there we go. Okay. That is working. Oh, that's it.